To make my cake pops, I use my previously made cupcakes. This is my chocolate recipe. I'm just going to move this all around so it's like breadcrumbs, and then I'm going to add some old buttercream that I made yesterday. And we are just moving that around in the bowl there until it gets like a glue consistency. We don't want it to be really, really wet, but at the same time, it needs to pull together like this here. You can see I'm just able to pick those last bits up in the bowl there with the mixture. Then I'm going to measure each one to 30 grams and roll them around until they look smooth and completely joined together. And this is quite important. They need to be very secure, but get that lovely round shape. Using my Callebaut Ruby tempered chocolate, I'm just going to put the sticks into the top of the cake pop and pop these in the freezer for an hour. Once they're out, we are going to just melt some more chocolate and make sure it's tempered so that we can get that lovely smooth finish across the top. Just roll them between your hands. They won't be completely frozen and it'll just bring back that beautiful round shape. Then we're just going to dip them in and spin into the tempered chocolate. Bring it up on an angle, and as you're slowly bringing it up, just tap away, and the higher that you get on an angle, the more chocolate that will fall off, and you'll be getting that beautiful smooth covering across the top. Keep going higher, and the chocolate is just going to drip down that stick. If there's any sticking out, just remove it, and we can cut the bottoms off those later. To make colours, I am putting some Colour Milk white in the top and then doing the same. I'm going in and twisting, and that beautiful white colour just comes across and creates a really lovely pattern. And I've done the very same thing and leave that to dry. Using some white tempered chocolate, I'm now going to make some zigzags just across the top. And if you want to make round, just spin the cake pop and it'll come out beautifully. So there they are, they're all done. I've added some ribbons around the bottom, and that tempered chocolate is just stunning. See you soon, take care, bye bye.